Today we're diving deep into the much-anticipated GoPro Hero 14 Black, the next-generation action camera that could mark a massive turning point for GoPro. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer, an aspiring filmmaker, or just someone who wants to know if the Hero 14 is worth the wait, this is the ultimate breakdown you don't want to miss. For years, GoPro was the undisputed leader in the action camera space. Their cameras were synonymous with durability, dependability, and unparalleled video quality. From skydiving to underwater diving, the GoPro brand became iconic in every extreme scenario imaginable. But in recent years, innovation seemed to slow. With incremental updates and a few groundbreaking features, enthusiasts started looking elsewhere, especially at companies like DJI and Insta360. But things might be about to change drastically. Enter the GoPro Hero 14 Black, a camera that could finally re-establish GoPro as the top-tier brand for action content creation. With significant leaks and rumors making their way online, it's shaping up to be one of the most promising action cams in years. Let's begin with the timeline. If you've followed GoPro's release pattern over the last decade, you'll know. They are fairly consistent. The Hero 12 and 13 models both dropped in September, and insiders are now confirming that the Hero 14 Black is expected to launch around September 20th, 2025. That might feel a bit ahead of schedule for some, but trust us. Rumors are already flying, and some have solid credibility. If you're on the fence about buying a current model, now's a good time to wait just a little longer. The biggest headline? A brand new, larger 1-inch sensor. That's right. The Hero 14 Black could be the first standard GoPro to feature this. Massive hardware upgrade. Improved low-light performance. A larger sensor captures more light, which translates to better footage in night or dusk settings. Higher dynamic range. Expect better contrast, shadow detail, and color accuracy in your footage. Sharper detail and clarity. Even if resolution stays the same, image quality will be on a new level. This is a giant leap from previous models that relied heavily on software enhancements like hypersmooth stabilization. GoPro has clearly realized that hardware matters, especially as rivals like the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro have already implemented larger sensors. Resolution and frame rates. The real story: don't expect a resolution boost just yet. 5.3K at 60 FPS is likely here to stay, at least for now. But here's the thing. Resolution isn't everything. It's the sensor that makes the real difference. And by prioritizing image quality over raw pixel count, GoPro is taking a smarter route. Video creators know that better low-light capabilities and richer colors are far more valuable than just more pixels. Display enhancements, edge-to-edge screen and new design. Next up, the display. Rumors suggest the Hero 14 Black could feature an edge-to-edge front screen with reinforced protection bumpers. Not only does this maintain GoPro's signature rugged design, but it also provides a much larger preview area, perfect for vlogging, framing action shots, or simply monitoring footage in real time. And there's more. We might finally get a revamped button layout with dedicated tactile controls for quicker access to modes, settings, and recording. No more digging through menus in high-pressure moments, just press and go. Overheating fix. A new processor on the way. One of the most consistent complaints with recent GoPro models has been thermal throttling and overheating, especially during 4K or 5K recording. But the Hero 14 could be equipped with a next-gen GP3 chip, which would bring improved thermal management, faster image processing, efficient power usage. There's even talk of an internal heatsink or advanced cooling architecture built directly into the body, making it ideal for extended recording sessions, whether you're hiking in the desert or filming an all-day event. Battery life. More juice for your adventures. Battery performance has always been a hit or miss for GoPro. While the Enduro battery helped in cold conditions, many users still found themselves running out of power mid-shoot. With a more efficient processor, we're expecting longer battery life, especially in high-performance modes. Additionally, rumors suggest a high-capacity battery variant might be offered. Great news for travelers, vloggers, and outdoor enthusiasts who spend all day off-grid. Competitive landscape. GoPro versus DJI versus Insta360 Let's Talk competition. DJI. Osmo Action 5 Pro already has that 1-inch sensor. Insta360 X4 dominates the 360-degree market. And now, DJI is teasing their own 360 cam, the Osmo 360, which could further disrupt GoPro's market share. So, what does GoPro need to do to win? Innovate. Boldly. The Hero 14. Black looks like a decisive response to the pressure from DJI and Insta360. If these rumored upgrades come true, it could finally tip the scales back in GoPro's favor. DJI's surprise. The Osmo 360 is coming. Speaking of DJI, let's quickly touch on their upcoming 360-degree camera, the Osmo 360. This isn't some vague concept anymore. We've seen FCC documentation, manual screenshots, and even product images that confirm the camera is deep in development. The Osmo 360 will reportedly use a clever 45-degree internal mirror system. Similar to the Insta360 X3 features a 1950mAh battery, USB-C 30W fast charging, and full DJI Mimo app support. Include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and dual-lens 360 capture capabilities. If DJI hits the market before the GoPro Max 2 even sees the light of day, it might put GoPro in a difficult spot, unless, of course, the Hero 14 Black delivers in all areas. Why the GoPro Hero 14 Black matters. So why is this launch so important? GoPro is not just releasing another iteration. They're fighting to stay relevant in a rapidly evolving space where AI-powered editing, live streaming, immersive 360-degree capture, and modular accessories are becoming standard. The Hero 14 Black could be a rebirth of GoPro's legacy. It blends next-level hardware-enhanced thermal and battery performance, smart UI improvements, cutting-edge durability, all while preparing to compete directly with DJI's new wave of action and 360 cameras. Should you wait for the Hero 14? Here's the million-dollar question. Should you wait? If you're currently using a Hero 10, 11, or even 12, and you've been underwhelmed by incremental upgrades, this is the moment to hold out. The Hero 14 could be the most meaningful leap in years, especially for creators who care about image quality, ease of use, and reliability under extreme conditions. Final thoughts. The future of action cameras. With brands like DJI, Insta360, and Sony constantly pushing boundaries, GoPro has a golden opportunity to reinvent its identity with the Hero 14. If they get the sensor upgrade, display, and heat management right, we're looking at a serious winner.